guy. Oh shit, how will you do that? I have to look after my mother's house. Okay? Getting wife nowadays is a painful on my wallet. That's very true. Like a pain. Okay? Heart is paining a lot. Kanong katang Padomnya is a picture. Dalam temen kan sabeyangnya Imi dan cuma nuken merap hanta Teng-teng ayang berkat baru. Hello Khasi people, hello Meghallian, Kubno Pilong Paralog. Hope everyone is doing well, guys. So today we have a latest music from Amunick. Amunick is starring Marangbah also, guys. So those guys, you already know him. My favorite guy also, Marangbah, guys. He's one of the best actor out there in the city, guys, in the state, not city only, in the whole state, guys. He's doing so good. And you all know Amunick was being trending for the previous month for one of his biggest amazing music by the name Bolbaring. You know that music now is a trend because it's having almost like 8 million views. So something lead. Congrats Amunick for this greatest achievement. Wishing for this music also to be big for you as you dream. And the music video today is by the title IINGKUR. IINGKUR. What does it mean by IINGKUR? IINGKUR, guys, tell me the meaning. Let's check. Amunick is starring Marangbah. Soon I'm coming to Shillong, guys. We're going to celebrate cherry blossom together. So make sure to subscribe to this reaction channel and go and check out my vlog channel if you want to watch my vlogs, my other videos, guys, my lifestyle. You can check Gabs Gabi TV, guys. Subscribe to both channel and I'll be so happy for that. Love you all. Kublai Shibon. Let's go. Elvis Tabar Studio. Amunick, let's go, my brother. You're doing so fine. I just love. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it how they show things so simply. Oh, you mean this guy was cheating or what? So the guy was cheating on Amunick's girlfriend and they chase him also. How is this possible, guy? Oh shit, how will you do that? I have to look after my mother's house. Okay? Getting wife nowadays is a painful on my wallet. That's very true. Like a pain. Okay? Heart is paining a lot. Kanong katang Padomnya is a picture. Dalam temen kan sabeyangnya Imi dan cuma nuken merap hanta Teng-teng ayang berkat baru Ngelet lok ni ngan pejai me Jabing jo ngarukan
Be with your mom, bro. Don't get anybody.
Kunilawekan poisyai Hapsai kur-kur
I have to be with my mama.
Hapsai kur-kur
Apsali kur. Apsali kur. Be with your mama. There is nothing like your mama, bro. I'm telling you. Your mama will never chase you. Even if she chase you, the next day you will come back, bro. Just know this. Hey, Marangbah is here. The guy is also drunk. So drunk.
Dayo kikin kibasyu abnai Kumba ong Marangbah laking kajabing Ngam sayaki kone ngam sayaki Bisa hapsyu ay bet kaplala teli Katulap manubna ya ganga
Everyone goes straight to her.
Dokekat batray rupi sa tingas na Dangklan kamen ngapin biang lot paro Datamen ka ong siya IINGKUR kelenyo Tentang ayay berkat marwe Ngalit lok ni ngan pejay me Jabing jo ngarukan sabte Kumilawekan poisyai Hapsai kur.
Now, Hapsai kur. Just go back to your mama. get your ball bearing and upside kur. Upside kur. Upside kur. Go back to your mom, I'm telling you. They say, Mommy, your son is back. Welcome back home. No matter the matter, you will still be back to your upside kur. You will still be back to your mom. So two of you, Marabang, go to your parents. Go back to your parents. Absolutely, kur. There is nothing like your mom, Amunick and Marabang, okay? That is really so informative and true music video. That is depend. This is based on a reality, guys. Because if you are thinking to have or to leave your mom because of someone, just know one day there is no one is going to replace your mom, guys, because you know the love that our moms have, our mothers have for us, guys. It's rare to find it in any other people because they are the one who brought you in this world, so they are ready to accept you no matter whatever time you will come back. That's why they said absolutely kur. So you have to go back to your mom and don't think she will reject you. So this is a proof, and this is really amazing. This time music video is featuring amazing star like Marabang, and we make something great, guys. I really love it. And yeah, what I love about Amunick also, guys, Amunick and Marabang, those guys, they are so pure, simple, guys. Whenever they make their music video, like you can see the music video, I think they make things simple, guys, and mostly based on the real life. This is how what I love about them. So such music, I really love it. This call it naturally, guys. I love it. All the best to the team Marabang and Amunick, guys. Soon I will come back. I'll come to Shillong, guys. We will meet, okay? Marabang, I have to meet Marabang. I have to meet Amunick, Wanba, my local production music. See you soon, guys. Don't forget subscribe to my reaction channel and subscribe to my vlogging channel. Absolutely cool. I'm going back soon. So before going to my mom, so I have to come to Shillong and then I'll go to my mom because my mom will not chase me. And this is a proof for what happened to Amunick. Absolutely cool. Ambakla.